Are you ready to take your party to the next level? Look no further than Jayden's Party Rentals for the ultimate bounce house rentals in Dover, Delaware. Picture this: laughter, joy, and endless fun as kids bounce away in our vibrant, safe, inflatable houses. At Jayden's Party Rentals, we bring the party to you, and we've got the perfect bounce house to turn any gathering into an unforgettable celebration. We pride ourselves on offering a diverse range of bounce houses that cater to every theme and occasion. From colorful castles to superhero adventures, our bounce houses are designed to spark the imagination and provide hours of entertainment. And the best part? Our setups are not just fun. They're safe, too. With Jayden's Party Rentals, you can relax and enjoy the festivities while we handle your chosen bounce house's delivery, setup, and takedown. Ready to transform your event into a bouncing extravaganza? Contact Jayden's Party Rentals at 302-569-2055 or visit our website at www.jaydenspartyrentals.com. Bounce House Rentals Dover DE. To explore our exciting range of bounce houses and secure your reservation. Let's bounce into the fun together with Jayden's Party Rentals.